Simply explain of shockwave therapy device. The following are the accessories of the machine, with 2 brackets. The bracket is divided into left and right. So need to check when installation. After the bracket is installed, place the shockwave head. Insert the handle into the corresponding groove. There is a click sound when it is installed in place. The bracket to put the handle, power supply switch. Next is to connect the shockwave head. Like video showing, take the black part out. It has mark to remind how to take out. Then put gel into, do not put less gel. Then put the shockwave head you need. After putting the head in, turn the head to shake the gel evenly so that there is no air inside. If with air, the energy is uneven. Install the black part. The black part is with triangle logo, please corresponds to notch. Lock it when ready. Enter interface. The default number of boot-ups is 1500. There is also a corresponding operation part on the interface. Which part shows which head, and each head has an identifier that can be seen. Frequency can be set, can reach 10 Hz. Energy can reach 10. The energy can adjust according to client's acceptable situation. Left is the real shooting, right is the preset total shooting. Below can adjust default shoot times, it can add or decrease. Below can adjust default shoot times, it can add or decrease. Press start, then it can work. On the handle, there also have a screen, it can press this to switch. Let's say you want to change the energy, and you switch it to this energy, and there's red here. The parameters can be adjusted where the red pointed on the handle. The parameters can be adjusted where the red pointed on the handle. On the part to be operated, gel needs to be applied so that there is a medium. or put the gel on the shockwave head. When you want to operate, apply the gel on a fixed point first, then press the start button. Moving lightly, not moving too fast. If the frequency is too slow, it can adjust on the screen or on the handle directly. The same operation method is used for each part.